Good morning, Saturday morning. Some drizzle. Not too cold, nip in the air, but it's not that bad. But again, peaceful. A little bit of rain yesterday afternoon, last night, but not much. Good morning, Sunday morning. Good morning, Monday morning. Rained most of the night. Rained pretty hard for a couple of minutes, but otherwise just a constant rain right through the night. Only stopped at about 5 o'clock this morning. And it's overcast, but I see the sun is starting to peek through. And everybody else has left here. The people that camped here and down there, they're gone. Just want to have a look here by the river and see what the water level looks like. The water level is definitely higher than before. Not much, but definitely more. Cell phone reception, internet, very poor here. Nice and peaceful. Yeah, something I'm trying out. I did a test the other day and it worked pretty well, but just doing another test. I saw this on YouTube. Somebody clipping the microphone on the PCAP. It seems to be working pretty well because a lot of times I don't wear a shirt. Well, if it's hot, I don't wear a shirt, and then a bit difficult to carry the microphone around. So I can clip it onto the PCAP. Magic. Pouring down with rain. I'll have to wait this one out. Not going to walk back to the caravan park in this. Good morning, Tuesday morning. Sun is not up yet, still early. Time to have a cup of tea and come and have a look at the river. Snow on the mountain. Pouring down with rain. Guys out there with the weed eater still trimming the grass, but I think they're going to run for shelter now because it started really belting down now. And there's a second rainbow coming now. Absolutely stunning. Orange cloud sunset. Best I've seen in years. Best I've seen since I've been here. Good morning, Wednesday morning. Time for a walk again. Oh no, the bridge washed away. I've got some maintenance to do. The little thingy that opens and closes the vent there, this end piece is broken off. It's supposed to be attached like that on the arm, and that little thingy slides in that groove, and then it pushes the lid up and down. But now that little thingy is broken off. Now I'll have to make a plan. Now how lucky can you get? I found this little clip that I made for something long ago. Never seen my little spare box. And this fits exactly over there. And it's got that little hole that I can put that screw through that I found in the toolbox as well. I'm not 100% sure, but I think I might have a complete unit like this at home. Otherwise as well, I'll just fix this and drill that out and make a new little top hat section. Make it a bit stronger. But for now, at least it's closed. Good morning, Thursday morning. First morning that it's 100% clear sky. There is no clouds in the sky. Absolutely nothing. And one of those mornings, it's above 10 degrees. 11.5 this morning when I got up. Oh, well done, guys. I mentioned yesterday about this one slat that was out of place on the bridge. A day later, all fixed. Well done. Yeah, by Hippo Pools, the water has definitely gone down a lot. I'm on this side of the river today because I want to climb up the mountain behind me that I was going to do yesterday. But when I got to the cycling bridge at the top, I couldn't cross the river. But just a strange thing, on that side there, on that side of the path, there used to be a rock stack. Been there for 3 weeks. It was there yesterday. Why has it gone now? It wasn't bad weather at all. The wind wasn't that bad. We've had harsh weather in the past 3 weeks. And the rock stack didn't disappear then, but now it's gone. And yesterday morning, I did a big rock stack down there by that tree, and it's also completely flat. I just wonder why some of the rock stacks sometimes just disappear. A memorial bench up on a big rock on the side of the road. Brian McGree. Lovely with some people's left some colourful stones behind. Brian's bench. I updated the software on the gimbal yesterday. but it doesn't seem to have sorted the problem with the jumping around. And absolutely peaceful and quiet. Been a busy day today. Went for an 8k hike, then came back, did some washing. And the whole day today, not a cloud in the sky. It was hot, so at least the washing could dry. And then Arthur and Dillis from Heimville, friends of mine that I haven't seen for many years, they came around. We had lunch at the hotel, and it was just like catching up, motorsport wise, photography wise. It was just all good fun. Good morning, Friday morning. Nip in the air again this morning, and quite a few clouds around after a cloudless day yesterday. Off into the mountains again. Enjoy.